Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to generate email subject and email body text for any topic or any subject auto using Google Chrome extension. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Google and then write compose AI powered writing tool. Now press enter. So this is link Chrome web store, so click on it. So we are going to generate email subject and email body text for any subject or any topic using this add-on. Now you see button add to Chrome, so click on it. Then you see add compose AI, so click on add extension button. Now this extension is added. On top you see icon, so this is our extension icon, so click on it. And then you see compose AI, pin it. On top you see icon, so click on it. And then you see setting, so you can do setting according to your requirement. You see multiple option, enable autocomplete everywhere, enable rephrase everywhere. Now go to Gmail to write email for any topic. So now we are in compose email section and then you see new message to subject and then you see type / 2 time to generate any text with compose AI. Now click on it and then write /. Now you see multiple option, so find here email. Now you see email, so click on it and then you see text, write an email about. So you can add topic or subject for email according to your requirement. So we are going to write email about website marketing and then press enter. Now generating email. Now you see all email format. You see best regard, your name, title, company name. So you can modify this template according to your requirement. Now scroll up. You see subject for email, boost your online presence with effective website marketing. So you can add name and then you see email body text. I hope this email find you well. And then you see in today's digital age, SEO, social media marketing. So by using this extension, you can generate email subject and body for any topic or subject. And if you want to rephrase text according to your requirement, now select text like this and then you see icon, so click on it. Now you see option rephrase with compose AI. Now click on it and then you see how should we change the text, drop down select. You see rewrite it, make shorter, make longer, fix spelling and grammar. So you can select option according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.